In today's video, I will show you how to fix the error. A driver cannot load on this device with EN.SYS driver file. So let's quickly fix it. First, this issue is usually related to RGB software from your motherboard. Open your browser and download a tool called Geek Uninstaller. After downloading, extract the zip file and open the program. Now you will see all installed apps. If you use an MSI motherboard, uninstall MSI Dragon Center. If you use Gigabyte, uninstall RGB Fusion. And if you use ASUS, uninstall Armoury Crate. Simply select the software, click Action, then choose Uninstall. This will completely remove the problematic driver and fix the issue for most users. If the error still appears, follow this extra step. Open this PC, then open the Windows folder. Go to System 32. In the search box, type the name of the SYS file shown in the error. Once you find it, right-click the file and choose Rename. Now add .old at the end of the file name and press Enter. After that, restart your PC. The driver cannot load on this device. Error should now be fixed. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more PC fixes and gaming solutions. Thanks for watching.
Gave him a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes.